Welcome to AIessay.io, your ultimate AI-powered essay writing assistant. Start by describing your topic, selecting the essay type, setting the word count range, and choosing your preferred reference style. Once done, click Next to proceed. Now, select a title for your essay, generate more titles, or type your own custom title. With a simple click on Next, you'll move to the next step. Now, it's time to choose your preferred writing style. You can select from our curated options like Default, Middle School, High School, College, or Graduate styles. Want the essay to match your unique tone? Simply paste your own written essay as a sample, and the AI will learn your writing style to create essays that sound just like you. Finally, click Generate Essay. In just seconds, your fully written essay will be ready for review, complete with references at the end. Experience effortless essay writing with AIessay.io. Try it now and write smarter, not harder.